Hey everybody, happy Monday. I'm not turning my camera on. I had some eye surgery on Friday and yeah, I look like a raccoon right now, so we're not gonna turn the camera on and see all that bruising. But I am finally able to kind of see the charts a little bit better today. Everything's been so blurry. I wanted to start off with this is my ledger of my open trades right now, and I'm actually really happy. As you can see, I have 3 sets of trades on right now. Oh no, actually no, I've got NISD, Kiwi yen. I already hit take profit and I am following that one. And then I have Euro Ozzy. I hit profit and I'm following that one. And then I have Canadian dollar Swissy. Same thing. Looks like I hit profit and I'm following it. And then I have the Euro Pound. It looks like I am a little bit in the hole there, so I have not hit the profit, and I still have both of those on. And then I have Great Britain Kiwi, or Pound Kiwi, I'm sorry. And those are both active as well. Have not hit my first take profit yet, though. So that's where we're at. Let me just go through and show you some of these then. Let's take a look at Kiwi JPY first. Okay, so Kiwi JPY. Bring that up. Okay, so as you can see, this is where we sold it, and it is continuing to go down. I cinch this up just a little bit. You can see all of our indicators are still indicating down. So it is down on super trend. It is below the baseline. Our ASH is still down. Our first exit indicator, our RVI, is still showing down. Our second one, which is the BBPRC, is still under the line. And I've added the Heikin-Ashi oscillator on here just as another kind of trial for another exit indicator. Just for some reason, I'm just not real comfortable with the exit indicator yet. So I'm going to be looking at all 3 of these together. But actually, they all 3 say stay the course. So I'm not going to do anything with this trade. And I am just going to follow that down. And right now, you can see it's 115 pips in profit. So let's hope it stays that way. Let me check the next one. The next one is Euro Aussie. So let's bring that one over, Euro Aussie. And you can see that here is where we bought. Now I believe we bought right there. No, I bought right there because as you can see, the stop loss is at break even. You know, it's hard with this super trend because the super trend does repaint, which is kind of confusing to me. So I look back and I'm like, why did I buy? But at the time it might have been green and then red and now it's green again. Long and short, we're in the trade and super trend is indicating a buy still. The price is well above the baseline. Our ASH is in congruence with that, and our exit indicators are all 3 still showing positive upward movement. So this is another one. This one is 103 pips in profit. We're just going to let that one ride as well. So the next one, whoops, wrong one. Sorry about that. The next one. Is the CAD Swissy. So let's open that one up. CAD Swissy. Where are you? There we are. I am, it is about 4:20 my time, which means it's About an hour and 20 minutes after the candles closed. I did do a quick look at the time and I didn't see any new trades. So I'm just showing you now how I'm maintaining these. Okay, this was another sell and it was sold way up here. And as you can see, super trend is still showing downward movement. Price is still well below the baseline. Ash is congruent. Now, Ikanashi is down. Our BBPRC is below. But I'm looking here at this RVI. It is still above the white, but it's getting very close. So we'll just have to watch that one and see. But this is how I go through and I evaluate each trade. Let's look at the one that's losing right now. That's Euro Pound. So let me bring that one up. Euro Pound. We'll take a look at that one. Okay, so this is where I sold it. And technically, I should be closing this because, why? Look at the baseline, okay? Our super trend still says down, but our price has gone up and it's closed above the baseline. Our Ash is saying up. And look at this, our RVI, well, no, our RVI, it's hard for me to see, still shows a downward movement, but our BBPRC is up. Let's look at our Heikin-Ashi, and our Heikin-Ashi is up. So, to follow all my rules, I will be good, even though it may turn around and go right back down again. I'm going to close this because by my rules, if it closes on the other side of the baseline, you're out of the trade. So, boom, close. So I took a little loss on that one. Not too bad, though. Looked like it was like 15 pips a piece. So 30 pip total loss. Not bad. All right, let's see. What's our last one? Our last one is Pound Kiwi. So we'll take a look at that one. Our Pound Kiwi. See, I'm trying real hard to use the right words. All right, let's bring it together a little bit. Okay, so this is a buy, and you can see it bought it down here, and it crossed, and wow, look how close it came. It's like almost bouncing off of my take profit, which is weird, but you know, that's a situation that can occur. You know, in my former days, I would be a little leery and I would be taking profit right now because if you look here, there's strong resistance right there. But VP doesn't believe in support and resistance, and I'm trying to follow the no-nonsense way, so I'm going to ignore support and resistance, even though it's kind of like very scary for me because it could very well just turn right around and then, you know, go the other direction. But for now, my super trend still says up. My price is above the baseline. My Ash still says up. My Heikin-Ashi still says up. My BBPRC still says up. Let's take a look at, and our RVI is still up. So I'm going to let that sucker go. You know, if I get lucky, it'll take out my first take profit and it'll move my stop loss to break even. So that would be really nice. And as you can see, look at this. Both of those are like almost 120 pips in profit. So that would be a nice one. I sure hope it reaches up there and it grabs it. So I'm sorry, no new trades today, but it's a new week and you never know what's going to happen. And we will just keep watching them. And tomorrow we will look again. And if I see anything, I'll tell you what it is and why I took it. In the meantime, you guys have a wonderful evening. See you tomorrow.